you need to be really strong around your selling message with your preferred lender. So you need to be really strong with your selling message with your preferred lender. So here's the language that I want you to say, okay? You need to be able to say something like this. Mr. Customer, good news is we've got an exclusive partnership with XYZ Mortgage Company that allows you to blank that other builders don't have access to. Say it again. We have an exclusive partnership with XYZ Mortgage Company that allows you to blank that other builders don't have access to. The reason why this is so important is because they need to know that you have an entire team looking out for them, and that you have some sort of advantage that will give them certainty if and when they choose you. They want to be able to see that. And so if you don't have that exclusive partnership, you don't have something that can make you, you can say that with truth and integrity, then of course you can't say it. So instead you want to do is you want to go talk to your lender, and you want to make sure that your company has some sort of deal. They need to give you something that, again, only you have working with this company to make that sentence true. I do not want you to say anything that's lying. So again, make sure you do have something to offer them that, again, makes it exclusive partnership with XYZ Mortgage Company that allows us special access to blank, allows you that other people don't have access to, and we'll be able to offer that for you today. So again, it creates that additional value in partnership.